And we're live. Welcome back, KicknGravelers. Cheers to you guys. Got a Starbucks. Normally I'm rolling with this, but don't worry. I got this one here too. Mmm. They're both good. They're both hot. I don't know. The wife picked this one up for me on the way home. Mmm. That's my jam, baby. Mmm. That's good stuff. Yeah, I'm sitting up a little higher. I'm using a different chair today. Let's see if we can go like this. All right. Everybody looking good? All right, we're all adjusted. Wild day. Let's check out Bitcoin and its wildness. Still going up with Bitcoin, but we were up here at around 4,200, 4,240, and have really pulled back about $200. I guess in Bitcoin terms, that's really not that much, but still green, still looking good. Still, didn't want to get too far away from that 9-day moving average. Remember, slow, steady growth. All indicators are looking good, including the RSI. Money's flowing in. Everything's looking great. Okay, hang on to it. Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum was running real hard, but again pulled back, but we're still bullish. Okay, don't be afraid of this. This is just over exuberance running up high, and it just needs correction. That's all it is. Let's move on to, it's currently 141 in Ethereum USD. Let's check out LTC. It's been doing real well. Okay, LTC had a high of around 36.89, 36.80 maybe, and is now at $34.10. Hang on to it. Okay, this is still looking good. There's nothing to fear here. It's all good. It's all good. It looks beautiful. Slow, steady growth. Let's move on to, we're going to skip a few of these. Oh, hey, by the way, I just got into some 0x. It's down a little bit, but it's okay. I like 0x. I traded it before. As you guys know, I kind of did a sideways movement, made a little bit of money here, and then got out, and it's been coming down this whole way. So out at 88 and back in at 37. That's not too bad. That's okay. And I'll just hang on to it. I should have bought it back here, but I just kind of was moved and inspired to buy it yesterday, so got a little bit. There is also, I'm going to skip over these ones. Let's move into Tron. Tron looking good. Real strong. Tron is having a pullback here, though. It started with this candle right here, this doji. Little baby reversal doji, and now we got a little bit more red. We did go higher, but I am afraid that this may be the temporary top. I'm not selling it yet. I'm waiting for the market to lead me, because remember back here when we were like not selling it yet and then boom, it started running. Even right here, not selling it yet. And we just kept going. And, again, right here on this candle, too, I was thinking, could be, but I'll let the market tell me, and it didn't. So it's all good. We've been riding this bad boy up, and we'll wait for it to tell us to get out, even if it's a lower price. Digibyte. That way everyone wins. Here's Digibyte, looking good. This is day 3 of a nice little uptrend here. We are now firmly above the 9-day moving average, which is really healthy. Yeah, I like what I see here. Hopefully it can continue this trend and doesn't get, say, bogged down in something like this, where it, can't get above that, right? We're going to watch that. It needs to get above this line. So let's remove that guy. Digibyte looking good. Let's move on to Theta. Okay, Theta. Theta is still looking good. It's above the 9-day moving average barely, but this isn't anything. This isn't a pump I'd want to sell. It's just not, it didn't pump hard enough. yeah, I mean, even this one would have been the pump to sell on, but I missed that boat. Uh, uh, just, just not paying attention to it enough, and I should have just dumped it. This right here, um, it's not a sell yet. Hold on to it. Hold your horses. Um, yeah, hold on to this. Proppy, Pro. Proppy was trying right here, but it just couldn't get it, and we still have it down as a no buy. Don't get it, not yet, not yet. It's not there. Populous PPT still looking good. We like Populous. It's running up. We're kind of blasted through into the Kumo cloud, but pulled back to the 50-day moving average. I like that we're probably, with a few more days, we'll get that golden cross we're looking for out of Populous. Here's OMG. Oh, me say go. Still looking good. I like this. We need to get a little more volume coming in. A little more volume would be helpful, but maybe it just needed a pullback. You never know. But still looking like a buy. Here's Pay. Pay 10x. Oh, ho, 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 baby. Okay, full disclosure, I'm out. I'm out of here. Let's check this. What's going on here? There you go. Okay. All right. So I'm out of this. I know I've been dragging my feet on it for a little bit, but it's over. I'm done with this for now. And hey, if it decides to run up, I'll jump back in it. It's no big deal. But I want to see where this thing takes me. It's been a really nice run up from what, 6 or 7 all the way to 11, which is great. I'm out, and now we're gonna see how far this pullback can go, and maybe just maybe we can pick up some more 10x on the way down. Now, if this thing reverses and goes higher, right? Like if this turns out to be a reversal doji, it's not really a big deal. We'll just get back in it and ride it back up. So let's just pay attention to that right here and see what happens to Pay. Human IQ, nothing. This one is about ready to go in the garbage. XLM. Now here, let me go back to this. Okay, so as we're looking at this, there is, how do I say this? As we go into 2019, if Bitcoin continues to stay down and bearish, you're going to start seeing me toss more and more coins to the side. Okay, because I believe coins are going to die off, and that's just, that's what the market does. It weeds out the dead weight, companies that aren't performing, coins that don't have a function, and the strong ones will live to fight another day, and others won't, and that's just how it is. But just I tossed one yesterday, PundyX. The thing is just not performing. Maybe we'll check in on it later, and maybe it will, but it just has been going down, 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 and it cannot get above a 9-day moving average, the poor thing. So anyway, it's not bad. It's just a business decision. Moving on to XLM, Stellar Lumens. Oh, yeah, looking all right, looking real healthy. I may get into this. I just might. Yeah, but it is a buy. So, stay in it. XLM, loving that right here. It's a buy. Let's move on to, let's look at these charts real quick. Yeah, it's just getting started, okay? Love this. Hang on to it. XRP. Ripple. 42 cents. Okay, so you guys know, because you've been following me, that I don't like Ripple much at all. And I've been really dogging this coin since day one. Oh, boy. Where do I begin? Binance just added it as a currency pair. So you'll be able to swap any crypto for Ripple. That's huge, right? So you're starting to believe that has more value than any other thing, or at just as much value as Bitcoin or USD. That's a big leap. I've been not reading, but listening to a gentleman that has a YouTube channel called To the Lifeboats. It's incredibly compelling and has really kind of changed my way of thinking about Ripple and how it's going to be used with the banks. I am not, you know this, I'm not a financial advisor, but I think that if he is correct, that this thing could go real nice. You know, it could have value. I'll say that. I'll just say that. It could have value. And it's currently at 42 cents. You never know. Okay, so I'm just going to put that out there. I've changed my stance on Ripple. I don't love it because it is involved with the banks, but I do believe that as a trader, if you want to make money, this might be a nice vehicle to make money in. Also, too, Ripple has not been it's had some nice little pops, right? Let's look at this, right? It's had some nice pops in it where it has lots and lots of value. This is Ripple against the dollar. It went to $3.54 at one point, pulled all the way back down, and we're now at 42 cents. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. I like that since we bottomed, basically, I would call this the bottom. We got more volume coming in, and then a little sell-off. Nice little pop in volume, then a sell-off. Nice pop in volume, sell-off. Now we're working on a nice pop in volume. So I'm curious, each pop gets a little lower, but at some point, this thing will go way up, right? So let's watch that. That's Stellar. Ripple, not Stellar. Moving on to, oh, by the way, Stellar is still a buy. Hang on to it. ADA. ADA is looking strong. Good job, Cardano. Out of the gates here. Oh, yeah. I like this. We're above the Kumo cloud, above the 50-day moving average, and with the golden cross with the 9-day. Very, very nice. Tezos still looking good. Hang on to it. So I like this coin. I don't know that it has a purpose yet, but I think that one day it may. It's at 53 cents. Keep in mind it was way up there. What is this showing me? Was it at $5? Well, it's as far back as the chart can go. It's about $5.50. So you're getting it for, real cheap. QLC chain. Oh, that's a cinnamon dolce latte. That's what that is. Ooh, boy. That's good. QLC chain continuing its run up. Looking good. Looking strong. Hang on to it. Aeon. I like this. Hang on to it. Yeah, all these things look pretty good. Even the RSIs. It came down on RSI, right? Like this. And it affected the price. But now it's getting a bounce. And I like that. Nice recovery. Above the 50. Very strong. Let's move on to Bitcoin Cash SV. Guys, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are running up, right? Bitcoin Cash has been coming down. And remember, we said to sell it back here. And it's been a sell. Or you can hold on to it and wait for that bounce again and sell it higher. I don't know about this. We'll see. That's my plan for it. This is not interesting. We still have it as a buy. Oh, I see why. Okay, so this one had not quite given us a death cross on that candle yet. It was close or kissing, but now it is full-blown death cross on RSI. And we're also still coming down. I would look for more continuation to the downside, and I would watch this volume, watch that volume start to come on down here, and it'll also probably give us a death cross on the next candle. So I don't know. I'm going to say stay out of this for now. Pull that profit. Doge. Now remember we said get out of Doge right here. We had a little bit of sideways action rolling, and now we got a little doji. I'm curious how this is going to pan out for us on the day. We still have about an hour left before the new day candle comes into play, but we're just going to have to wait and see. We really are, because I need to see it prove itself again to get over that 9-day moving average. Now we're in the Kumo cloud, so anything can happen here. But we have really bad money flow rolling out, right? And I know the RSI is coming up, but with the golden cross. But really, what I think RSI is going to do is come up like that, and then I think RSI is going to just dump right back down again. I'm pretty sure it's going to do something like that, or maybe even, dump right here, right? It could just dump like that. So let's keep an eye out for this RSI, and volumes diminishing. There's a lot of sad things happening here at Doge. But hey, you know what? You guys, we were watching this, and it was just running up like a champion. So let's just sit tight and be happy with our gains. Glad we got out when we did, and yeah, we'll go from there. EOS is looking good. Hang on to it. It's really respecting that 9-day moving average. Slow, steady growth. Yeah, it knows what to do. This is like a model for how to grow. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me. You're going to get a new candle here in about an hour. Probably by the time you see this, you'll be getting a new candle. Here is BTC USD. I'll leave you with that. We're at $4,059. Still looking strong. Still looking real good. Hold on to it. All right, I'm Aaron, and I'm out. Talk to you soon. God bless you guys. See ya.